Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you 3 ways that models can make passive income. All right, guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling. And if you don't already know, passive income is great because you don't have to do something all the time in order to get paid. So let's jump right in here. You'll kind of get an idea of it when we get going here. So one of the things is that you can sell shirts that you have designed or of your own brand. And there's lots of different options with this, but one of the best ones to use and easiest is Shopify. You can set up a store in there, and in Shopify, you can pick one of the many companies that they have that offer t-shirts and the designs. And you can go right in there and choose your designs and set the whole thing up and set the whole store up. And you're able to do that all through Shopify. It's an app. You can use it for your phone. You can do it right on your computer. So it's a really good option if design is the kind of thing that you like to do. It's a really great way for you to make some passive income because you set that whole store up and Shopify does all the work for you. You don't have to print the shirts. You don't have to fill the orders. They do all of that for you and you get your money. Next one is starting a YouTube channel. And we've got other videos about this too. We'll have links for you down below, but starting a YouTube channel is a great way to make some passive income because not only do you get money from monetization, so once you get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours in 12 months, but as you get higher up in your subscribers to 10,000 to 30,000, you'll earn the right to be able to either sell products on there and also do things like super chat, which is where people pay money when you're doing live videos to have their comments be up higher on the screen so that it can be seen by more people. So that's a lot of really great ways of being able to make money on YouTube outside of even just doing the ads. Next one is affiliate marketing programs and affiliate marketing links. And affiliate marketing links are great because you don't have to have any particular number of followers on anything. You can use those across the board. So you can use them either like if you have a blog or a website, and also you can use these on YouTube. You don't have to even have 1,000 subscribers to be able to use the affiliate links. You can use those in your description. You'll see them like they're in the links below in the description of this video. You'll see links. Those are affiliate links, and you can use ones just like that, and you don't even have to have as many subscribers as we do. You can start from day one using those affiliate links. Hopefully this will help you out, give you some good ideas on some things that you can do. We do have a very comprehensive video with lots more information about this and so much more. Make sure you guys check that out. I hope that this was very helpful for you, get you going. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment down below,